Well, the measles virus has seen a recent uptick in cases in several states. News Press Now's Patrick Holleran spoke to health officials in Buchanan County to find out where things currently stand and how people can protect themselves.
More measles cases are popping up around the country, with Florida becoming the latest state to report a positive test this year. This brings the total number of cases in 2025 to 164, with 20% of the cases resulting in hospitalization. While Missouri hasn't had any reported measles cases, it's still important to keep vaccinations up to date and practice standard health-related hygiene in order to reduce the chance of the virus spreading.
The only way to prevent from catching it other than vaccinating it is just being cautious. Germs are everywhere. You can pick it up. It's spread very easily, just like any other infection.
Among the most susceptible to the virus are children, which is why the state of Missouri requires children to have their vaccination records up to date prior to being enrolled in schools. The only exception to this is through a medical or religious exemption.
There are some instances where kids are in progress on their shots, and so they may not be able to get all of their vaccines right away to start school, but as long as they're in progress of receiving their vaccines to be up to date, they can go ahead and start.
In the event of a measles outbreak, the school would locate any children who aren't vaccinated and notify the parents of others who were exposed. According to the Missouri Department of Health, 96.1% of kindergarten students in the county are vaccinated for measles, mumps, and rubella. While the ideal goal would be to have everyone vaccinated, there are people who still have concerns.
We're kind of in a time of information overload, but those school-required vaccinations are vaccinations that have been tried and true. They've been around for a long time. They protect your child. It's just like putting a helmet on before you ride a bicycle or putting your child in a car seat.
Reporting for News Press Now, I'm Patrick Holleran.